Introducing the Eagle Eye Forklift Camera System. The Eagle Eye is especially designed when the forks are raised high in the air. The operator can see exactly where the pallet opening is. No straining, no mistakes. The Eagle Eye camera system is a 12-volt battery-operated system which lasts for 40 straight hours of continuous use. However, our new standby switch will extend its life 3 to 5 times that. That's a minimum of 3 weeks between charges. Just 2 bolts and the Eagle Eye is mounted on any Class 2 carriage. No internal wiring that costs thousands to install. Push the key fob and the monitor instantly turns on and stays on for 5 minutes. The monitor is 12 volts to 48 volts and can easily be hardwired to the truck, or it can be operated with a 12-volt battery. When using the battery-only option for the camera and monitor, installation takes only 10 minutes. Your operators will know exactly where their forks are when it really counts. When using the camera, there is no guesswork. Often the job gets done in half the time. When it's time to charge, just open the cover, disconnect the battery, and join the charger. You can also purchase an extra battery so one can charge while the other is in use. The Eagle Eye Forklift Camera System. You will be amazed how inexpensive it is to see your forks.